Hi guys, it's Shtuky. Would you like to create multi-platform application for mobile phone, and you would not like to use many different tools, and you would like to find one tool which will help you to do amazing, beautiful applications? So this video is for you because I found amazing tool which will help you. This called Dart programming language, not darts, but Dart programming language, and it go in a pair, in a friendship with Flutter development tool. But we will talk about Flutter development tool in the next videos. And let's start with programming language called Dart. So what is Dart and why you will love it, I guess. So Dart is a programming language of C family. C is a family of Algol family languages, and basically that means that all these languages that you can see on this picture, like JavaScript, Java, Go, Python, and also Dart, have a lot of similarities in syntaxes and basic principles of how they work and how you write programs. So if you know a little bit of these languages, any of these languages, or maybe C++ or whatever, it will be easy for you to start coding on Dart language. And let me show you programs, short programs on this language, so you will see. So it's very easy. So let's write hello world program. Everyone likes it, so it's a basic program of any programming language, and you can see here void main function. So void main, which is prints you hello world to your screen. As easy as that, and you see that it's almost the same like in C language or a lot of other languages. And also you can check it on the website of this language. Everything is free, open source, created by Google, supported by Google and community. It's very active community, very nice, and this programming language develops very quickly and very rapidly. So you can see how functions looks like. So we declare a function int which called times2, and it returns x multiplied by 2. So as easy as that. Also very nice syntaxes. For me, as a C lover, this looks pretty amazing. So if you also like how this looks, please give me a like on this video and write what do you think. And also let's have a look at the control flow. So it's a boolean, and you can see how it works. Also, let's see how you can create class. So this is a class and item in this class. So now you know a basic syntax, and you also can start writing on this language very quickly. But let's wait for a moment and let's have a look at this picture. This picture is the most important information about this language that you have to know. So please have a look. This language started about 10 years ago. The development has been started in 2011, and since then, look, it became more and more popular, and in recent years this graph just go high. And why this is happening, guys? Because everything going to mobile platforms, and previously we all used PC with web browser, and now we all use mobile phones, and a lot of developers who would like to create easy, beautiful, nice multi-platform applications, they try to find some tools, and here we go. Here we go, we found it. So this is a big community with very active and professionals who create very clean and nice and modern, amazing applications. So, and let's have a look how big this community, how big and how professional it is. Let's have a look at this website, and this is TOB index, which shows you which programming language is more popular or less popular right now. So market share of Python, it's #1 programming language right now, and it is the most popular right now. And of course it's C, Java, C++, and let's try to find our Dart programming language. Where is it? Dart, where are you? So we see C++, C#, we see JavaScript, and PHP, Go, other languages. Where is Dart? Okay, maybe here, Scratch. Recently I made a game on Scratch, but it's also not popular. We have Lua, we have Cabol, Julia, D, Rust, oh my god, Lisp, and here is it, here is a Dart language. Finally we found it. It's 32 number on a list, not really popular, with market share of 0.31%. Okay, now you see, okay, it's becoming more and more popular over time and over decade. It's really grown rapidly and massively, but still it's not really popular. So this is a big disadvantage of this language, because when it's still not really popular, you cannot find many tutorials and materials and some other experience on things that you need to do. It's really similar to such languages as Scala or Kotlin or TypeScript. These languages are, let's say, modern languages. They are not really new ones, but they became popular just recently, so they are not took over market share, and they are nearby. But by the way, Dart already became more popular than Kotlin and Scala and TypeScript, which is amazing, I guess. So guys, as you see, this language is very interesting. It has very nice features like garbage collection, which went to just another level. You can collect garbage very simultaneously, and that's why applications made on this programming language work so fast and do not have any issues and breakdowns. And also you can make really amazing multi-platform stuff, because you create something not only for Android or for iOS, you create for each platform together. And I do not know if there are many tools on the market which help you to create so easily and fast and quickly multi-platform applications. So please let me know in the comments, would you like to try this on? Do you have any experience, or what do you think about Dart programming language? See you in my next video, and next video will be very important for you if you're interested in mobile development tools. We will talk about Flutter. Flutter will be our next video. Okay, see you, subscribe to our channel, bye!